Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Betterment user, you know that tax season can be a bit overwhelming, but accessing your 1099 tax forms is actually straightforward and can save you a ton of hassle. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to view those forms right from your account. Whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Betterment account. Head over to the Betterment website, enter your email and password, and you'll be in. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll just need to verify that quickly. It's all about keeping your info secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is usually the main page you land on, where you can see an overview of your investments. Look for a section labeled Accounts or Portfolio. That's your starting point. From there, find and click on Documents or Tax Center. Betterment makes this easy, so it should be right there in the menu. In the Documents section, you'll see a list of available forms. Scroll down or use the search function to locate your 1099 forms. Make sure to select the correct tax year, like 2023, because Betterment keeps records for multiple years. Once you find it, you can click to view the form directly on the screen. If you need a copy for your records, there's usually a download button. Hit that to save it as a PDF. It's that simple. Before you go, double-check the form for accuracy, and if anything looks off, Betterment has great customer support to help out. There you have it. Viewing your Betterment 1099 tax forms is quick and painless. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay on top of your taxes.